strategic behavior and strategic choices.
Strategic behavior leads to different levels of performance. 47 However, what type of strategic behavior produces optimal performance? The typology developed by Miles and Snow 48 provided a foundation for other scholars of organizational behavior interested in the relationships between strategy, structure, and process. Validity and reliability have. Table 12.4. Managerial approach to change. Also been affirmed as usable to explore organizations and their strategies. 49 This typology is also consistent with theoretical and empirical studies over the last 2 decades. 50. Porter S51 typology focuses on concentrated industries. 52 and represents an excellent tool for an existing industry, therefore addressing the primary premise of low-cost differentiation, but offers neither guidance for industries in highly entrepreneurial, creative, and innovative settings, which are still in a pre-infancy stage, nor strategic direction for political strategy. Table 12.4 summarizes the types of strategic socio-political responses employed by an array of researchers and practicing managers. The suggestion is that organizations employ a different organizational response, endogenously driven behavior, depending on the environmental, exogenously driven process, conditions, contingency, which facilitates the goal of this exploratory research to associate environmental turbulence and strategic behavior orientation to performance. Several authors also have suggested that the aggressiveness of strategic managerial behavior for societal response must match the intensity of the changes in the societal environment. 53. Strategic choices are an outcome of stakeholder power and environmental pressures. 54 Strategic choices are manifested into goals, however, scholars have long argued the intricacies and interplay of the firm's goals. 55 Although there is a cost associated with failure to manage the political agenda of the firm, the most important is the loss of choice-making discretion. 56 Managers who are involved in developing strategic choices of social goal strategies must realize the opportunities and constraints presented by the political process and legal structures. 57 Moreover, strategic choices are an outcome of a strategic posture, which is developed through assessment of the environment and stakeholder aggressiveness. 58 Once the firm has engaged in environmental analysis, management must make strategic choices about how to best adapt or respond to the results of the environmental scanning. The result of environmental scanning and strategic diagnosis. 59 provides the business institution with an array of strategic choices. 60